Hey guys, okay, I'll be honest. I was deeply skeptical when these showed up in my front door. I've been doing my own gel nail manicures at home for about 5 or 6 months, and I had fully accepted that removal day meant 20 minutes of wrestling with foil squares, acetone dripping everywhere, and at least one cotton ball falling off mid soak. It was a whole thing. And I'm learning and trying to get better while I'm doing this. But let me tell you, every time it was soak off day, I regretted it and dreaded it. Now, these little clips completely changed that routine. I used them for the first time on a full set of gel polish, fingers and toes. And the difference was immediate. I soaked my cotton pads, clipped everything on, and actually just sat there. I sat there and watched TV. No holding anything in place, no rewrapping fallen foil, no acetone puddle on my coffee table. The anti-slip grip on these clips is genuinely good. They stayed put the whole time without cutting off circulation or feeling uncomfortable. Now, after about 8 minutes, the gel was lifting on its own, and the double-ended cuticle pusher made cleanup so easy. I appreciated that they thought to include that tool. It's small, right? But it makes such a real difference for getting these last bits of residue off cleanly without scraping at your nail bed. Now, the fact that there are 10 finger clips and 10 toe clips in one kit is a huge win. I've seen other sets that only cover fingers, which always felt like a half solution to me. Being able to do a full pedicure removal with the same kit on the same day, mwah, chef's kiss. Couldn't ask for anything more. I've now used mine about 4 to 5 times and they clean up easily. Just rinse and let dry. No warping, no cracking. The ABS plastic feels solid, not cheap and flimsy like some other clips I've tried in the past. Now, if you do your own nails at home, even occasionally, this is such an amazing purchase. And it makes life so much easier. I highly recommend it. I hope this helps.